I will be a dictator, no doubt about it, but only against the forces of evil, criminality, drugs, and corruption in government.
Mga mayor, pera. It's always money, 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 money. Huwag kayo magpili ng mayor na pitsugin. Dito sa Davao, walang droga. Wala talagang droga. Sabi ko, ipapakaw ko talaga sila sa cross. Nagpagawa ako ng cross dyan sa nilagay ko sa barak sa likod. Kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
You are pinned down by your own
No,
statements of October.
You have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or no?
tinatanong-
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko. Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
I'll give you, sasampalin ko sa
Chairman.
Yes.